Is your Schlage keypad lock spinning without engaging? This common problem usually points to motor or clutch issues. The keypad dial rotates continuously without locking or unlocking the door. The lock's electromechanical system includes a DC stepper motor that drives a clutch. The clutch engages gears to turn the spindle and lock or unlock the door. Here you can see the internal components of a Schlage lock, including the motor and clutch mechanism. Spinning occurs when the clutch slips or the motor lacks proper feedback from position sensors. Common causes include physical wear on the clutch or gears, motor misalignment during installation, software glitches or firmware bugs, and battery depletion or power issues. We'll explore the fixes for these issues. The simplest fix for a spinning Schlage keypad lock is to check and replace the batteries. Low power causes erratic motor behavior, which can result in continuous spinning. Use fresh quality alkaline batteries for optimal performance. If battery replacement doesn't resolve the issue, perform a reset. Remove the batteries, hold the keypad at 000 while reinserting fresh batteries, then release. This clears minor software glitches that may cause spinning. Calibration realigns the motor's position sensors in Schlage locks. Many models include a calibration mode accessible through the Schlage app. The app guides you to rotate the keypad to the 0 position and confirm the alignment. This process helps the motor recognize its starting point, preventing continuous spinning issues. Regular calibration can significantly extend your lock's operational lifespan. If resets and calibration fail, it might be a mechanical issue. For older models pre-2023, consider the Motor Guard Retrofit Kit from Schlage. If you're comfortable, disassemble the lock and refer to online tutorials. Look for dust, debris, or worn parts around the motor and clutch. Clean and lubricate carefully. If parts are damaged, consider replacing them or contacting a professional. Schlage regularly releases firmware updates to address bugs and improve performance. Use the Schlage app to ensure your lock's firmware is current. These updates often include auto-calibration features that prevent motor overruns and resolve software-related spinning issues. Enable automatic updates to stay protected against future problems. If you've exhausted DIY options and the spinning persists, it's time to call a locksmith or Schlage support. Forcefully disassembling the lock can cause further damage. Professionals have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair complex motor or clutch problems. Remember, Schlage's warranty now covers motor replacements for up to 5 years on newer models. Preventative maintenance is essential for extending the lifespan of your Schlage keypad lock. Start by regularly cleaning the keypad and surrounding area to remove dust and debris that can cause mechanical issues. Avoid using excessive force when turning the lock manually, as this can damage the internal motor and clutch components. Perform calibration every year to ensure the motor and mechanisms remain properly aligned. These simple maintenance steps can significantly extend the lock's lifespan and prevent future spinning issues. The future of smart locks includes AI-assisted diagnostics that can detect potential spinning issues before they occur. Smart locks are developing self-calibrating motors that automatically adjust clutch tension to prevent spinning problems. Schlage is developing systems that use cloud data to predict issues and biometric feedback loops to auto-adjust performance. While these features are still emerging, they promise to minimize failures and simplify maintenance. Experts predict that by 2030, 80% of smart locks will include predictive maintenance via AI, significantly reducing spinning issues and improving overall reliability.